Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your images jump off the page? I'll show you how with Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter your preferred dimensions or choose any size you want to use. Set your dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to the Elements tab. Search for Frame to find a frame type. Select the frame you want and add it to your design. Select your desired frame type from the options provided. For this example, choose the standard frame. Click on the ordinary frame to apply it to your project before proceeding with further customization steps. Follow these steps to achieve the desired result, just like this. Make sure every element matches the example shown to ensure accuracy and consistency throughout your project or workflow. Let's use this frame. Click to select it, then move or resize as needed to fit your design. You can also use a mockup to visualize your design before final implementation. In Units, I'll demonstrate how to play a role as a role player. To begin, make sure you're on the home page. Locate and click on the Role Player section in the navigation menu. Now, let's search for a specific photo. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type in your keyword. Browse the search results to find the photo you want. Click on the photo to open it. You can now interact with the photo as a role player. That's how you get started! Select this image to use it in our current project or design workflow. First, duplicate this item by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Then, drag the duplicated item to the desired location within your project workspace. Adjust the image as needed by dragging or resizing it within the frame. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click the Apply Changes button to continue. Use the switch located outside of the main editing area. First, remove the background by selecting the appropriate option. This step ensures your main subject stands out clearly, making it easier to apply further edits or adjustments as you continue your project. Click and hold the item you want to move. While holding down your mouse button, drag the item to the desired location on your screen. Release the mouse button to drop and place it. Ensure the object is the same size as your reference. Avoid using the mouse whenever possible by utilizing keyboard shortcuts for greater precision. Use the arrow keys to nudge the object into position or adjust its size incrementally. To select objects, use the Tab key or keyboard selection commands instead of clicking. If you need to resize, hold Shift while pressing the arrow keys for proportionate scaling. To duplicate, press the appropriate shortcut rather than right-clicking. Use alignment shortcuts to precisely match position and size with your reference. Regularly toggle between selection and transformation tools with quick keys. This workflow enhances consistency and speeds up your... Select the pop-up image. Hold Shift and click to select both elements. With both selected, click and drag to reposition them as needed. This allows you to adjust the placement easily using your mouse for precise alignment within the workspace. Place the image in the center. Then, click the Share button. Choose Save to download the pop-up image directly to your device for future use or sharing. Increase the size using the available options, then click the Download button to save your updated file to your computer. Now you know how to make eye-catching animated pop-outs in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.